Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola here, AE29 Fashion, and today we are going to be doing a video. It's more like a day in the life of a designer seamstress. So basically I have a client here. She's a YouTuber. So guys, guess who it is? This is a YouTuber. I met her here and she reached out to me and said that she's getting married and she wanted me to make a couple of dresses for her. So the first dress I'm going to be making for her is a full gown mermaid dress. So this is what you guys are going to be following me doing. Hopefully you guys can get some tips. It's not a full tutorial, but hopefully you guys can get some tips from the video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, if you've not hit the like button yet, please feel free to do so, and subscribe if you need to see any more videos from me. If you subscribe and hit the bell, you will be the first ones to see it. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'm so excited. So guys, firstly, let's appreciate this beautiful lace. I mean, come on. This lace is just too much. As I saw it, I just fell in love. I was so excited to just get started. So this is the lace that we're going to be using. So now that we've seen the fabric, the first thing we need to do is to create our pattern. I'm going to be using a princess dart pattern for the top half of the dress, and then I'll be doing a mermaid skirt with a tail for the bottom. We've created the pattern now, so I've cut out the line as you can probably see here. So now I just want to place the pattern on the lace and we can start cutting it out. So this is the top half of the dress. This is the center front and the side front that I'm cutting out here. Like I said, using a princess dart pattern. And now we're going to lay down the back pattern on the lace. So I'm just trying to adjust and see the best way to put it down. And then we're going to cut this out too. So we have finished cutting out the pattern for the top half of the dress. We need to just move on to creating the pattern for the skirt. Like I said, it's going to be a mermaid skirt with a tail. So this is me creating the pattern for this. So I've laid the pattern down onto the lining once again and I have cut it out. So now I'm just going to separate the back from the front so that I can shape the back piece. So guys, you know how when you see all those nice beautiful African dresses, you know how they tend to shape the bum very well so that your bum can look really good in it? This is what I'm doing here. I've shaped the bum and I've also cut out the bottom half of the back panels so that I can add my tail inside here. Anyway, you guys just follow me along and see. I don't know if I can explain it very well, but yeah, this is where the tail is going to go. But I've also shaped the bum section so that it can curve around the bum very well. So as you can see, I've cut out the back panel and I've taken out the piece from the back where I want to put the tail. So this is the front and the back. In the lining, I now need to cut it out in the lace, but first of all I want to create the tail for the back of this dress. So to create the tail, you kind of want to fold the fabric into two, and like you want to do like a half circle, and then you want to curve the bottom as you can see in the video. There's all the pieces here now, so now we need to start joining it all together. So guys, it's important to knot your fabrics whenever you're sewing. It just makes it easier to join all the pieces together. So before I start joining all the pieces together, I'm just overlocking all the lining because this fabric frays. It really does fray, so I just wanted to overlock all the lining before I put all the pieces together. So guys, now this is the hardest part for me as far as I'm concerned when it came to this dress, was just taking off all the stones, because as beautiful as they look, I had to cut all the pieces off near the edges where I need to sew, because if I sew on these stones, they're gonna break my needle and maybe even break my machine. So that took a lot of work, but you know, once we got started, it was looking good. Now look guys, these are all the stones you can see, and this ain't even half of it. This is just this is just some. This is not even half of what I was taking off. So now I'm just connecting all the lining and the lace together, and then eventually I will now start piecing all the pieces, the top half to the bottom half, to the back, to the front, etc, etc. We're nearly there guys. As you can see, it's all starting to look like a dress. You can see it's starting to look like a dress now, but we're nearly there. And here we have it. We have finished the dress. It's looking lovely, right? Oh god, this lace is just gorgeous. I'm just so impressed. I'm just loving this lace. So guys, these are my labels. You can see I'm trying to put the labels on. Come on guys, please let me know how you think this dress turned out in the comment section down below. Guys, I will be bringing some full tutorials for you soon, but for now, this is our bride in the dress, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and ciao. So did you guess who it was? Yes, my sister from the Diaspora channel, my queen. Thank you sis for choosing me. Bye.